Our voice is the bridge between our inner and outer realities. It's how we communicate with the world. It's how we take space. It's the sound of who we are. And for many of us, this expression has been challenged in our lives. We've been told to be quiet. We've been restricting our own expressions. So this can be quite a thing, starting to play with your own sound.
Yeah, it can be very vulnerable and also very empowering. Like we're gonna meet all these different parts of ourselves when we dive into this work. Because sound really has the ability to travel into corners of our being that we maybe don't usually get in contact with. In this retreat, we're also gonna meet each other, which is also very beautiful. It's very deep to meet another human through the voice and beyond words.
This is a very fun and deep and sacred, juicy work. We're going to work individually with our own expression. We're going to work in a circle, together creating sound. We're going to be in couples. We're going to be in nature. We're going to offer a lot of different opportunities to meet yourself and your expression and your silence. We're so delighted to invite you into this world of voice work with us, to meet you and your voice and sing with you.
Yay! See you soon. Bye.